storms coming in from the west. Some new towers over there. Nice shelf coming in. Something going on over there. Definitely a whole line of storms. Hey Paul, you can start to see the base now over that way.
Yeah.
Look at the coloring behind it, like through that gap in the trees. Still haven't seen any lightning.
Yeah. I wish we could see the tops.
Well, they're obscured by this mid-level cloud deck.
I'd like to see some lightning soon.
It's starting to look more intense though, look at that. I mean, look at the...
That's moisture log.
No, I know, but the, where the shower cloud is, it's starting to... You can definitely see where it's going in right there. Where there's definitely some nice scud on the base of that. Probably some nice updrafts inflow.
There we go. Finally.
That was coming from right over there.
I wish I would have seen if there was lightning.
There probably is, we just probably can't see it right now.
We're standing right in between a tree and power lines.
Yeah. Yeah. Still nice warm wind out ahead of it. Darker and darker.
Oh, I think I just saw it flash.
Where? Straight in there?
Yeah,
Okay.
It wasn't really bright though.
So we'll probably hear something here pretty soon. There's definitely some lowerings of scud and whatnot in this. Right there, it's starting to look like there might be some newer updrafts or something forming. Kind of looking up at it. Because you can definitely see there's more storms right along there.
If it doesn't, if we don't see lightning in the view, hopefully at least we start hearing more thunder. Oh, there we go, right on cue. So at least that will tell us if it's active.
Huh?
That will tell us if it's active with lightning. Yeah, you can definitely see the base.
Yeah. Typical shelf cloud.
It's obscured by heavy rain.
No, there's a lot of haze out ahead of it. Now the rain that's just over us has just stopped. This, in a way, almost looks like June 5th up at my place, or at the golf course.
I think it is raining down there where you can see lines.
Yeah, way off in the distance behind it. That's definitely a nice shelf cloud. It's going to get nicer probably here in a little bit. Yeah.
Still would like to see some sort of lightning.
I just saw a flash. It might have just been me. Oh, you can see like the edge of the shelf cloud like going back over there, almost like a bow echo. Yeah, that must have been lightning.
I bet it's all behind the trees over there. It looks like there's a little more lowering of the shelf cloud.
Actually, to tell you the truth, it looks like the shelf cloud's curved.
Well, I did have a slight go on radar.
I was going north.
That's what I was picking up there.
Yep, definitely. I think the storm might be gaining intensity. Look at that shelf cloud over there. It's starting to get lighter with the sun, or with whatever light is over here.
See where the rain kind of starts and stops.
Yep, thunder down that way. So it's definitely, that's the first time we've actually heard a good rumble from down that way.
4:59. Hopefully by 5:05, some more thunder and lightning.
And our shelf cloud just continues right down. So this thing is definitely becoming a solid line. Actually, it looks like there might be a small bowing structure right in there, because then the shelf cloud kind of comes back out again and then goes like that. Oh man, look at that little white tower up there. See that right above the shelf?
Oh yeah. I wonder if that's what it is.
I don't know.
It's hard to tell. We can't see anything.
Well, at least we got a nice shelf cloud. Now that base is definitely getting thicker.
Oh shit.
What?
Sitting right next to the gate.
Battery's starting to get a little bit low.
Come on, lightning or something. Actually, I shouldn't say that. Or lightning right on me.
Oh man, look at that shelf cloud. Yeah, look how it's sticking out, like the upper part of the shelf. It's starting to get good. So.
Where the hell is the link?
Somewhere. Yeah, that's one of the best shelves I've seen, like a structure like that. I've never actually seen a structure like that in person, I don't think. This is amazing.
Radar update from someone.
That looks like images of wall clouds that I've seen online. Look over there. That looks like, because see how it's curling back. Yeah, that's definitely rotating. See that? It's curling right back. We definitely get rotation in this.
Hey Ray, how does that storm have any parts of that radar?
Man,
I don't. Is there any rotation? It looks like a supercell. Like you could. There's some rotation. It looks like.
It's definitely rotating. I know. I've seen pictures.
I mean, the shelf cloud's coming in. It looks like there's some rotation within it.
We should probably head back to the car, because we're probably starting to light. Yeah, look at that. That looks like hail right there.
I know.
Hail shaft. Hey Paul, we gotta get going. That thing's rotating. Yeah, there's definitely hail in there. It's starting to go green underneath it. Come on, Paul, it's gonna start lightning pretty soon. Jeez, this is amazing. This is the best shelf cloud I've ever seen. Yeah, that looks like a supercell, alright. Holy shit. I've never seen one this good before.
Yeah.
Look at that. Time to get in the car.
He said there's nothing rotating.
Well, it looks like it might be. Yeah, look at that though. Now it's coming in. Look how fast.
Should be getting here soon. It looks like I'm gonna get about dumped on with rain.
Yeah, look. It is rotating. See that? If you look close at that last cloud fragment, it's spinning.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole.
Well, it's not happening, well,
But here's the thing. That cloud feature is going to pass right over us. You see that? It's going to pass right over us.
Yeah. I see. It's just out. It's just.
Yeah.
Wind, so it'll just get really gusty.